Okay, students, good morning. I am explaining you today ABC of Chemistry 3 because yesterday we discussed ABC of Chemistry 2 and like this only ABC of Chemistry further we will discuss. So the first question today is why is lead nitrate that is PbNO3 whole 2 solution in water acidic to litmus? Answer is it is so because of its hydrolysis with water in which HNO3 that is nitric acid is generated. It is an oxidizing agent. Second question is what are different oxyacids of nitrogen? Answer is nitrogen forms two oxyacids. They are nitrous acid that is HNO2 and nitric acid whose formula is HNO3. HNO2 that is nitrous acid is an unstable acid but HNO3 that is nitric acid is a very stable and strong acid. Third question is why does SO2 that is sulfur dioxide bleach by reduction and bleaching bleaching by it is temporary? Answer is sulfur dioxide that is SO2 has the property of bleaching of most colored substances. In presence of water, it liberates nascent hydrogen. The reaction is SO2 plus 2H2O arrowhead H2SO4 plus 2H. This 2H is the nascent hydrogen. This nascent hydrogen reduces the colored substance to colorless substance. Thus, SO2 bleaches by the process of reduction. The substance bleached by SO2 regains its color due to oxidation by atmospheric oxygen. So, this can be written as colorless substance reacts with air in the atmosphere and it is converted into colored substance. Fourth question is why is HF that is hydrogen fluoride used for etching? Etching means engraving of glass. Answer is it is so because glass dissolves in hydrogen fluoride. Fifth question is write two uses of Fe2O3 that is ferric oxide. Answer is first use is it is used for the preparation of red paints and second it is used for the manufacture of iron and steel. Sixth question is what is milk of magnesia? Answer is a paste of MgOH whole 2 that is magnesium hydroxide in water is called milk of magnesia. Seventh question is why is tin that is ashen used in making solder? Answer is it is that is stannum is used in making solder because it is easily fusible alloying metal. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.